Hey yogis, welcome to Yogea Yoga on YouTube. I'm Antonia and this is Innovasana Think Tank, an unparalleled play space for creating new asana. We're going to do a cool pose. It's called Summit Pose, and it's a headstand variation with an inner visceral bind, really, really deep. So come onto all fours and place the crown of your head into the floor. Bring your hands closer to your knees so you can curl your toes under. Lift the knees off the floor as if you're doing dolphin on the crown of your head, something like a hybrid pose. Now, bend your knees. Walk the feet a little closer so when you bend your knees, you can thread your arms through. Bend even more and touch the chin with your fingertips. Breathe here. And release. Hands down, knees down. Lift your head, press your chin with your hands just to release here. Twist your head left, twist your head right. Great job doing Summit Pose with me at Innovasana Think Tank. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Yogea Yoga, for other asanas, routines, creative visualizations, meditations, and mudra practices. Thank you.